I think a secure and stable northern Kenya is the best thing for this country, because we can be able now to put resources there to do food production and get people busy and support the rest of the country, because the lands are vast.
Yeah.
And they're also very productive.
Yeah.
If we can get it right, we secure so that there is no insecurity, and then we go to irrigation, then the problems of this country in a very sustainable manner are sorted. Again, as High Commissioner, you have pointed out, we need sustainable interventions, long term, so that we don't have to deal with emergencies all the time.
For a long time, Kenya and Ethiopia have been the two anchors of stability in your region. With the civil war in Ethiopia, Kenya has looked a little bit lonely at times, holding the fort of stability across the region. And so the thing that particularly excites me about this project is it's a time when you can export that stability into two of your neighbours and mutually reinforce each other at the national, the sub-national, but also the community level as you operate across the border.
We enjoy good relations, and your stay here for the time you have been here has contributed immensely to enhancing those relations. And as trading partners, we are doing very well, and it is our belief that we'll even do much better as we go along.
Which is why I'm utterly delighted that we've got commitment from the top in Mandera and the top here at the national level. So thank you for your personal engagement and take